Hello everybody, my name is Dr.Neil or Dr.Neil. You may have seen my first video, and I am very smart. Today, answer a very common question for you guys. What came first, chicken or the egg? Well, my friends, I have come up with a bit of an answer from 3 years of research from Wikipedia. And I have gone to the ancient realms of Narnia. To answer this, we must answer, what is this question of need? What when a chicken has to hatch the egg, but when the egg hatches, there's the chicken side, and then chicken has to go up to be have to lead to level 25 to go to chicken. But the hippopotamus came first. Why? Because the chicken went to the hippopotamus house to play Xbox, and he got to exit, and then the egg came after him for the party. Don't believe me? Well, get a PhD and come back with a better answer. And Dr. Neil, have a nice day. Oh well, I hope this video has informed you, and I hope that you will subscribe to Extreme Dude. This is where I will be posting videos where I'll be answering your questions. So I invite you to go to the comment section below and ask me one.